Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show how to turn on notifications for sticker responses on Instagram using your PC. If you've been missing replies to your sticker questions or polls, this simple update will make sure you stay in the loop. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Instagram. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your homepage, look over to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will pop up. From there, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. Now, inside Settings, look for the Notification section and click on it. This is where Instagram lets you customize what alerts you receive and how you receive them. Next, find and click on Push Notifications. This section controls the real-time alerts that pop up when something happens on your account. Scroll through the options until you find Sticker Responses. This refers to replies people send when you use interactive stickers like questions, polls, or quizzes in your stories. Under Sticker Responses, you'll see a few options. Simply select On. Once you do this, Instagram will start sending you notifications whenever someone responds to your sticker.